Hey everyone, it's me, Rose. A couple more, two more is that stories. Uh, you guys might know Cassie's a cat and baby Angel. Uh, their accounts are gone. So baby Angel account is gone. So is Cassie's a cat. They were a part of the little club HQ. Uh, so during all of the episodes, not the episodes, I guess all through the uh role plays, they you guys might know Donut the dog. Him and Cassie the cat were actually dating, and I believe one of the roleplay things, one of the roleplay videos, I should say, Baby Leia was also in the world roleplay videos. And I talked about Little Donnie in that one video, you guys might be talking about Little Donnie. Now, Cassie the cat, Baby Leia, so not with the Little Club HQ anymore. I know I'm the first ever teenager to talk about Cassie and Baby Leia on my channel, also along with Little Donnie. Baby Leia, I believe, was Little Donnie's sister, and roleplays and real life. Cassie the cat, more of like a sister, but also a GF of Donut the dog. Yeah, I was right. Little Baby Leia is actually Little Donnie's sister. Uh, hang on, you guys. I don't know about Cassie the cat, Donut the dog. I don't know if they're married, but we will miss Cassie the cat and baby Angel alive. I know they've done YouTube before when I was growing up. I'm probably not gonna quit YouTube because I know the subs, all 64 of you guys say, hey, what happened? Why aren't you posting us often? Well, most of the time it would be because of school, which is we're not in school, it's nearly Thanksgiving break. And also, we will miss both of you, Cassie the cat, baby Angel. Baby Angel was nice like Cassie the cat. So both will be missable. I just want to say, like I said to little Donnie, enjoy your life, have a good time. But if you guys come on to YouTube and start doing YouTube again, make sure to tell Cassie and not Cassie, but Donut the dog and Little Donnie, same thing. Make sure to tell Little Kelly, Carly, Rocco, Donut the dog, and everyone that you know that does YouTube. I know you guys don't know me, but I am known as XRoxy676. But you three that don't do YouTube, that used to do YouTube, we wish you guys luck in life. And you guys will be missed if you guys are up on YouTube watching YouTube again. You're doing it. You guys might end up seeing not just the thrills of me talking about specifically Yola the Donnie, but unfortunately we don't know why they left YouTube and why decided to not talk about it. But if you guys do decide to come back on to YouTube, I hope you guys know if you guys still new YouTube, has have a new YouTube, uh, gain the same loads of views and videos, make up the videos that you had on you guys' old channel. We will love you guys, respect you, respect your decisions. We don't wanna. I don't want you guys to hate me for it. Um, talking about why you guys left. You guys might not even hate me for talking about why you left. Seems like every YouTuber is a bit concerned. Uh, Also for Baby Angel and uh, Cassie said, "Cat, we will miss you a lot. So you guys enjoy what you guys still can. We will miss you guys, the whole YouTube community. If you guys see my video, two videos of you guys, I hope you know. I hope you guys can reach out and say thank you of not sharing any personal information about you guys. Uh, Also, I just want to say to both to all three, Cassie, the cat, little Leah, and little Donnie, I just want to say I respect you both three. Little Donnie, I know it's been a long time since you've been on YouTube. Uh, what else am I gonna say? If you need anything or ask me anything, I will leave my Discord down below in my description below for my main account, and I will also leave quite a couple of my social medias like Instagram and TikTok and YouTube, like my main and my Discord for and my other one for that's on my phone. You guys might be asking me why am I respecting you guys? It's because I don't just hate you. I don't really hate you. I don't blame you. I don't blame you guys of leaving YouTube or quitting YouTube. Uh, I just want to say you guys did what you guys do. You guys aren't the only ones that had inspired me to do YouTube. There's also Stampy Cat, or Stampy Longhead, but I call him Stampy Cat for short. Uh, but if you guys also want to contact me through phone number, contact me through my Discord because I don't wanna like give out my phone number to my subscribers and and have them call me. It's kind of weird for my subscribers to just call or text me randomly at any time. But I just want to say you guys were such great and good people. You guys have some kid-friendly content up there for kids like myself. Uh, I try to keep my content as kid-friendly as I can. Also, I just want to say to you guys, so I'm gonna be watching this. If you guys still log back onto YouTube and see this on your For You page, on your homepage, uh, Donnie, little Donnie, I should say, you probably seen me talk about you specifically, about telling my fans that we miss you, and we also like for you to come back to YouTube. We don't miss the content you did. We missed everything. So also to Cassie the cat and to Baby Angel. Now Baby Angel and little Baby Angel and to Cassie the cat, little Donnie. We like for you guys to come back. We miss you all. All of us miss you a lot. And we want you guys to come back and do YouTube and hang out, maybe do some Roblox with other YouTubers like myself. I'm not really good at playing Minecraft, but I'm not logged into my Minecraft account anymore. Uh, Rojing, if you can please put me back in my Minecraft account, that would be great. Like, that would be appreciated so I can do more content for Minecraft. And also for little Leah, little Donnie, and Cassie the cat. We do support you guys so much. We supported you all through you guys' channel. I don't know what happened. Uh, AJ or whoever you are, uh, I just want to say it might be your fault on why little Donnie had you had done this. Uh, Let me find it. I've me and a couple of others think it might be some person named AJ or something fault, or no, Donnie might have uh, stopped doing YouTube because he gotten old, or he might have stopped for a while until he decided against to end Cassie the cat and little, not little baby and baby Leah. We want you guys to come back to YouTube and start posting a lot of content like you guys used to. We miss when you guys post a lot of content. You guys might say for both Cassie the cat and Baby Angel, you guys might ask me, hey, why you doing this? Well, it's just because you guys are the funnest people we had all the YouTube, especially me. When I was growing up, I watched Little Kelly, Little Donnie, Carly, or whatever. Also, Donut the dog. Uh, so, Cassie the cat, Little Donnie, and Baby Leah, please contact me through my Discord. So, I'm not risking my email getting clicked by you guys. So, I'm gonna be unknown for you guys only. So, if you guys want to contact me through my Discord, Roxy the Lover Girl, or just through Instagram, I'll leave my Instagram down below. I'll change it to the name I have on my channel. And I know it's long. Also, uh, Little Donnie, Baby Angel, and Little Donnie. If you guys wanna come back to YouTube, go for it. I'm not stopping. So little Leah, not Leah, but little baby angel, little Donnie, and Cassie the cat. Hope you have a nice week or year, and enjoy the rest of you guys' time and stuff. If you guys feel like doing YouTube again, just say contact me through all three of my all four social medias. Join my Discords. I'll leave them down in the comments or my description of my channel. So yeah, bye.